My favorite moments in life are when I'm having fun with my kids and their friends. It doesn't happen as often as I'd like, but Pampered Chef makes it easy. Their kid-friendly recipes and tools made just for them let me create a night of fun that's guaranteed to make everyone smile. Sometimes we have to disconnect to reconnect so we can enjoy the moments in life that really matter. The kids are laughing, I'm teaching them a valuable skill, and we're getting the face time we need to keep our home happy and healthy.